Welcome, my friends. My name is Andrew Sorokin and I am professional certified and accredited tour guide in Australia, Sydney. In this video, you can see a hiking track in Blue Mountains Canyon near Katoomba Falls and Jamison Valley. This track is for advanced hikers who are okay with a 1000 steps descent and 1000 steps ascent. Hopefully no ropes or vertical ladders. So it takes approximately 4 hours and 7 kilometers. I can take your family or your group up to 22 people from Sydney and show you beautiful Blue Mountains where you can stretch your legs and enjoy the beautiful nature and wildlife. Again, it's for advanced hikers, and as you can see, this is a profile of your track. This profile shows that is about 4 or 500 meters the down and up the walk, or the total difference in elevation about 300 meters. And this is a close view to your track. If you wanted to walk by yourself, or the better, I suggest you walk with me. It's safer and more fun. And plus I'll share lots of interesting information on my tours. So let's enjoy this video and book the tour. All the best from Andrew Sorokin, Sydney Private Guided Tours Company.